Hello, everyone. I am sure you all must have heard about what all the planetary configuration that I had discussed in my first video and understood it well. The zodiacs. Gemini, when Mercury goes retrograde on the 27th, 60% of the planets will be traveling backwards, the maximum for the year. Things seem to be going backwards in the world and perhaps in your life, though your finances are not affected. These retrogrades are generally not life threatening, just annoying and frustrating. So, if you understand what's going on, you become more philosophical about it. It's easier to handle them. The timing of this period is very good. However, your fifth house of fun, children, and creativity is very strong. So the world of fun and leisure calls and beckons you, and you may as well indulge as you won't be missing anything in the world. With some creativity, you can make this period an enjoying period or an enjoyable, fun period with your family and children. Health needs monitoring until the 22nd, but after that date, there will be dramatic improvements. In the meantime, enhance your health in the ways that I have actually mentioned, that is, relaxation, a proper diet, and taking intermittent breaks is important for you. Love is better than last month, but your love planet is still retrograde. So go slow in love. Let relationships develop as on their own. There's no need to make important love decision, and time will reveal what needs to be done. This is still a month for making psychological progress. Last month was to whether you're involved in formal types of therapy or not, there will be psychological breakthroughs. The new moon on the 6th, or the new moon of the 6th, will further clarify emotional and family issues for you. Information will come to you as the month progresses, and you will be able to get answers for all the queries that you have in your mind. Finances are not an issue this month, as your money house is empty and only the moon is moving through there on the 1st, 2nd, 29th, and 30th. So, because the moon will move through the money house twice this month, earnings will be better than the last month. Financial energy and enthusiasm remain stronger from the 6th to the 20th as the moon waxes. So, money and financial opportunity can come in many ways and through many people. Be patient and rest assured your questions will be answered. Your desires or your findings, you will find the path. You just need to walk on it. So remember that the love planet is retrograde. So there could be a delayed reactions, but definitely not a defeat. So with the current astrological conditions, it's virtually impossible to see long term right now. So the task is to just keep doing what feels right and do that right thing in each and every moment. With your natal charts, my endeavor is to help you align with the wisdom and guidance of the planets, which is actually your own wisdom and direction, through which we understand the role we are required to play at a given time. It's imperative that you look into your natal chart to understand the transit of the planets and what they imply. For a more detailed perception, do not hesitate to connect with me and apprise yourself realistically. For lucky days or dates of the month, please check my website and discover many more interesting facts of what you can do with your life. Till then, stay blessed.